DonalsKitchen.com is a brand new way to think about how you cook at home. It's a meal planning platform that will revolutionize your relationship with food and your kitchen.
Breakfast, lunch, dinners and snacks, we have got you covered.
The recipes are delicious, easy, and all you have to do is follow the steps. When you log in, choose the things you like, then like your favorite recipes for the meal planner, and it will automatically create a weekly shopping list. So you always have exactly what you need, and yes, you can add or remove all the other things you need to. You'll waste less food and save money, but best of all, eat amazing meals all week long. It works on phones, laptops, and tablets. Like and review the recipes and join the dedicated Facebook page. Join me and our growing community on DonalsKitchen.com. And let's get cooking.
Hey guys, I am super excited to be launching my brand new website, DonalsKitchen.com, which is all about easy recipes, an automated meal plan, and customized shopping lists. It's super simple to use. And to give you a teaser, here's one of the recipes from the website. It is a one-pan skillet chocolate chip cookie that everyone can dive into with lots of vanilla ice cream. It is phenomenal.
Now, I'm all about nailing your midweek meal plan, but sometimes you need a sweet treat, and this one-pan chocolate chip cookie is the way forward. It's only a handful of ingredients that you most likely have in your kitchen store cupboard, and it's all combined in this. Now, what you are going to need is a greased oven-proof pan, and once you have that ready to rock and your oven set to 160 degrees Celsius, we're good to go. So, into a bowl with 2 types of sugar, some caster sugar and some light brown sugar. And it's the combination of these 2 sugars that's going to give you that irresistible toffee chewiness to this beautiful big cookie. So to this, some softened butter. Now, with a hand mixer, you just want to get this beaten until it's light and fluffy. This is the kind of sweet treat that just ticks all the boxes. So to our butter and sugar mix, we're going to get in there with 1 large free-range egg. And just beat that until it's nicely mixed through. Now for our dry ingredients. I've got some plain flour, some baking powder, and some baking soda. For some flavor, some vanilla extract. And when you've got your dry ingredients in there, very gently and slowly start to incorporate them. Right, the dough is pretty much good to go. So just time now to fold in some dark chocolate and some white chocolate chunks. Give that a good mix through and try not to eat the dough at this point, which is what I'm always tempted to do. And just to finish it off and to balance out the sweetness that's in there, a little pinch of salt goes a long way. As soon as you have that rough cookie dough, this actually works quite well if you freeze them as logs, and you can slice up cookies to bake in the oven. Or if you're doing this method, you literally take that entire cookie dough mix and pop it straight into a skillet or a frying pan. And then using the spatula, just press it into all the edges. Now, the true trick to getting really great texture on your cookie dough is to rest it. So at this point now, we're going to pop it into the fridge and let it rest for about an hour. Now, I know that step of chilling the dough is an extra one and it takes a little bit more time, but it will make a difference to the end texture of this cookie dough. So at this point now that it has chilled, it's going to go into the oven and it's going to cook for 20 minutes. Now just have a look at that. 1-pan chocolate chip cookie. And it is essential if you're cooking this in the oven in a pan that you make sure that you use one that is an oven-proof handle and that you make sure that it's completely covered with a towel when you bring it to the table. Now, we're going to finish it off by adding some ice cream just to the top, and then it's just a case of digging in. 3 little ice cream scoops that just melt into that hot cookie mixture. Now, to serve it up, bowl, spoon, let's go. Come on. Beautiful, soft, melted cookie, and then that gorgeous scoop of ice cream on top. Now, all that's left to do is dive in and try some. You've got beautiful melted ice cream, you've got really tender cookie, and a bit of chew. Wow. Oh, it's this intense sweetness that you just want. It wraps you up in a bowl of beautiful cookie comfort. Now, if you want the recipe, of course, it's on Donal's Kitchen. I know you're going to want to try this, so check it out and let me know how you get on.